Welcome back today. I'm back today with another beat. Today I'm going to be making Bristol trap beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. Now, I'm just going to put my cursor here, right click, and just press open. Now my FL Studio is loading, getting ready to open. Very soon it will open. It's loading. My FL Studio has opened. I'm just going to click add here and pick this plugin called. Today I'll be using this plugin called FL Keys. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel up channel 5, right click and press piano roll to start programming my Bristol trap beat. That's the title. The title is Bristol trap beat. Now I'm going to program the first 2 bars of my trap beat, then copy it right to bars number 8. Okay, I'll start programming my first 2 bars now. Now I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight it to the left and press Ctrl and B and copy right to bars number 8. I'm going to press Ctrl and A and pitch it down. I'm going to click on Add again and pick Sim Synth. I'm going to left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels up channel 6. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now this is my bass melodies. These are the simple ways to program Bristol trap beats. On my first melody, on slot 1, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add the fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'm going to click on slot 2 like this and add the fruity multiband compressor. On slot 3, I'm going to click on it and add this one, the fruity soft clipper. On my second melody, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a fruity reverb 2. On slot 2, I'm going to click on it and add the fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 3, I'm going to add a sound womanizer. Then I'm going to turn the sound womanizer to mix level 4. On my hi-hats, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'm just going to highlight this to the left and press Ctrl and B to bars number 8. I'm going to press Ctrl and A and pitch it up. Then I'm going to take my hi-hats right up and click on slot 1 and add the sound womanizer. On snare, I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Pitch it right up and add a sound womanizer. I'm going to click here and swap left and right here and here like this. Then I'm going to left click on my kick to channel 1 on my channel rack. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. start programming my kick. Then on channel 1 here, I'm going to click on this boss knob and switch it right up. That's the main source. I'm going to click here, swap left and right. Now I'm going to reverse the polarities by clicking here. This icon where my cursor is on the screen, I'm going to click on it. This is my cursor here. I'm going to click like this and reverse the polarities like this. I'm going to bring up my kick, turn up the master, and click here, swap left and right, reverse the polarity here. Then where they have written pattern 1, I'm going to right click and split by chain. As you can see, everything I program is on the top left corner on my screen. This is my kick. I'm just going to click on my kick, click on my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click on my playlist, click on my snare, click on my playlist, click on my FA keys, click on my playlist, click on my last melody, click on my playlist. Then I'm just going to copy it to make it longer, to create space on intro and outro. Now I'm going to left click and hold it, I like to the left and press Ctrl and B. Then when creating beat, you can arrange it however you want the beat to be longer. Now I'm going to highlight it and left click and hold it, turn it to the left and press Ctrl and B. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here, I'm going to remove the snare here. Then on my first melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. The second melody, I'm going to right click and create automation clip. Then this is my hi-hat at the ending of my intro. I'm going to spice it up here with a hi-hat. I'm going to drop an hi-hat here. At the starting point of my outro, I'm going to drop an hi-hat here. Thank you so much for watching. Let's listen to the Bristol trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Bristol trap beats. See you next time in another video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos you will get notified. Thank you so much and see you next time.